My name is Faisal Khan. In last video, we discussed about the properties of subtraction and addition of integers. Now, in this video, we will continue the sum based on that properties and exercise 1b. So, from starting, the first question is write down the pair of integers whose sum is minus 5 and difference is minus 5. First, we have to write some pair of integers who have sum as minus 5. It is a simple statement and it may have many answers and many solutions. I will write 2 or 3 of them. The sum of integers is minus 5. If we add minus 3 and minus 2, what we will get? Minus 3 plus minus 2. We will get minus 5. So first solution is minus 3 and 2. Second, minus 4 and minus 1. We can add minus 4 and minus 1 and we will get minus 5 as their sum. Minus 4 plus minus 1. Minus minus plus and minus 5. Let's take another example. Another solution. Here we took both negative integers. Now one negative integer with one positive integer. Minus 6 and plus 1 or simply 1. So when we add minus 6 plus 1, we will again get minus 5. So this statement have many solutions and it can have more. Now second, the difference is minus 5. We need the pair of integers whose difference is minus 5. So it may also have many solutions. I am writing some of them is minus 8, minus 8 and minus 3. When we subtract minus 3 from minus 8, we will get minus 5. The solution minus 8, subtract sign minus and then minus 3. Minus 8 minus plus 3 equals to minus 5. Here we get minus 5 as our answer when we are subtracting minus 8 from minus 3. Let's take another. Minus 6 and minus 1. Minus 6 minus 1 equals to minus 6 plus 1 equals to minus 5. Again 3, third 3 and 8. When we are subtracting 8 from 3, that means 3 minus 8, we again get minus 5 as our answer. So here this type of question have many answers, and if you are writing the correct integers, other of them you are also correct. Now next question. Do question number 2 by yourself. Now question number 3. In a quiz, team A scored 45, minus 50 and 75 in 3 successive rounds, whereas team B scored minus 45, 50 and plus 25. Which team scored more and how much? Question is, there are 2 teams and they have placed 3 rounds. In first, team A scored in 3 rounds 45, minus 50 and 75. Team B scored minus 45, 50 and 25. So we have to find which one scores more. How can we find that? First of all, we will add them. We will add their score, and the team which had more score, it will be the team with more score. And how much? We will subtract their sum. So scores of team A. What are scores of team A? 45 plus minus 50 plus 75. 45 plus minus 50 plus 75. Take 45 and 75 together and after that minus 50. 45 plus 75 minus plus minus 50. 45 plus 75 120 minus 50 is equals to 70. So total score, final score scored by team A is 70. Scores of team B. Scores of team B minus 45 plus 50 plus 25. Add them. Take 50 and 25 together. Minus 45 plus 50 and 25, 75. Minus 45 plus 75. Subtract them. You will get you will get 30. So final score of team B is 30 and final score of team A is 70. Compare them. Compare scores of team A and team B, and we can say that 70 is greater than 30. So score of team A, so we can say that which team scored more? Team A scored more. This is our first answer. Now, and how much? So to find how much team A scored more, so we will subtract the final score of team. Now subtract final scores of team A and B. We will get 70 minus 30 equals to 40. So final answer is team A scored 40 more than team B. Now question number 5. Verify A minus bracket minus B is equals to A plus B. Here it is given two equations and we have to verify them for some given values. So what is the given equation? A minus B equals to A plus B. So take LHS. What is LHS? A minus B. A minus B. Now put the values. Value of A is 25 minus bracket. Put minus sign, then after value of B is 3. 25 minus plus 3 is equal to 28. And in LHS we got 28. Now take RHS. What is RHS? A plus B. Value of A 25. Value of B 3. Add them. We get 28 as our answer. So on solving we get 28. On solving LHS we get 28, and on solving RHS we get 28. In both conditions, in both solutions we get the same answer. So LHS is equals to RHS. Hence we can say that it is verified that A minus B is equals to A plus B. Similarly, you can do the remaining parts of this question. Now question number 6. Question number 6, do it by yourself. Find the sum of the LHS and RHS and compare which one is greater. Now question number 7. Now question number 7. What is question number 7? Maximum temperature of a city on a particular day was 18 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature recorded on the same day is -3 degrees Celsius. And what is the fall in the temperature? Here it is given the temperature of a city on a particular day, that is maximum is 18 degrees Celsius and the minimum is -3 degrees Celsius, and we have to find the fall in temperature. So when we subtract the minimum temperature from maximum, we will get the fall in temperature. So let's start. Maximum temperature of city is 18 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature of city is -3 degrees Celsius. So fall in temperature of city on that day will be their difference. So 18 degrees Celsius minus, and 3 is already in minus, so -3 degrees Celsius. Now, so this 18 degrees Celsius minus plus 3 degrees Celsius. 18 plus 3, 21 degrees Celsius. Here, so we can say that the total temperature fall on that day is 21 degrees Celsius. Now, answer is, what is the fall in temperature? 21 degrees Celsius is fall in temperature of the city. Here we finished the exercise, solutions of exercise 1B. Do the remaining sums in your exercise in your algebra copy. Thank you.